Hey guys, welcome to the Delph Stack, and this is how to delete archived messages on a Facebook Messenger app. So, guys, first is just simply open up the Messenger application into your device. Now, over here, you could just simply go ahead and go to your archive messages. Now, to do that, select menu at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you will have an option over here right away, guys, the archive tab. So go ahead and tap on the archive tab, and you should be able to see all of the people that you had archived. Now, to delete the archive messages on the Facebook, you will have two options. You can either go to the inbox and you will have your messages over here and just simply select the specific message that you want to delete from our archive and tap on the delete, and you can select multiple over here and select delete, and you will have here delete for everyone or delete for you. So if you choose everyone, it will be on both sides, but if you choose for you, it will be only on your side. Now, if you want to delete the entire conversation, just simply hold it outside the inbox and tap on delete over here, and this will delete all the chat history. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.